Good morning, guys. I'm Jock the Scottish Terrier, and today we will do a behavior chart. And today we will do a behavior card day. Let's get ready for the cards. If you get a rainbow card, that means you will graduate forever. If you get a blue card, that means you will get 18 years off. If you get a green card, that means you will get 9 years off. If you get a pink card, that means you will get 1 year off. If you get a yellow card, that means you will get 2 months off. If you get a purple card, that means you will get 1 day off. If you get a white card, that means nothing happens, and you will stay in your seat. If you get a beige card, that means you will get a talk after class, with no detention or suspensions. You're only just in a little bit of trouble. If you get a red card, that means you will get detention for 1 hour. If you get a brown card, that means you will get a 2-hour detention. If you get a gray card, that means you will get detention for 5 hours. If you get an orange card, that means you will get detention forever. If you get a dark brown card, that means you will be suspended for 1 week. If you get a dark gray card, that means you will be suspended for 2 months. If you get a tan card, that means you will be suspended for 1 year. And pay attention to this card. You don't want to deserve this card. If you get a black card, that means you will be in dead meat and expelled forever, and plus, you need to go to summer school. Okay, here are the cards.
Yes, I got a rainbow card. That means I'll graduate forever.
Good job, Rosie. Congratulations. You got a rainbow card, and that means you will graduate forever. You have been a good girl in my class all the time. You helped your best friends, Lily, Daisy, and Cody. And you also helped Lily, too. You have been a good girl. You do not cause me any trouble. Go to the principal's office and claim your reward, and I'll not see you ever again. Enjoy your vacation. Yes, I got a blue card. That means I'll get 18 years off. Good job, Daisy. You get a blue card. You have been a good girl, just like Rosie. You got a blue card, and that means you will get 18 years off. Go to the principal's office and claim your reward. You smart girl.
Yeah, I got a green card. That means I'll get 9 years off. Thank you, Jock the Scottish Terrier.
You're welcome, Lily. You did a good job in school, Lily, just like Daisy and Rosie. So you got a green card, and that means you will get 9 years off. Go to the principal's office and claim your reward. Yes, I got a pink card, and that means I'll get 1 year off. Thank you, Jock the Scottish Terrier. Good job, Caillou. You got a pink card, and that means you will get 1 year off. Go to the principal's office and claim your reward, you good boy. Yes, I got a yellow card, and that means I'll get 2 months off. Good job, Cody. You get a yellow card, and that means you will get 2 months off. Go to the principal's office and claim your reward.
Yes, I got a purple card, and that means I'll get a day off.
Gina, you have been a good girl in my class. You helped everybody. Since you got a purple card, that means you will get a day off. Go to the principal's office and I'll see you tomorrow. I got a white card, and that means nothing happens. You're okay. Since you got a white card, that means nothing happens. You can go back to your seat. Oh no! I got a beige card, and that means I'll get a talk after school. I am so sorry, Dora. You're only just in a little bit of trouble, with no detention or suspensions. Since you got a beige card, that means you will get a talk after class. I'm so sorry. Go to the principal's office. And the principal will talk to you. So did I. I'm a nice teacher and I can talk to you all the time. Oh my gosh! How dare you give me a red card? That means I'll get detention for 1 hour. Oh my gosh! I can't believe that I got detention. Austin the kangaroo, I am so angry at you because you always get the standard Austin in trouble. Austin Byler or Canine Crooner Fan Austin. Austin the kangaroo, you're a troublemaker. And you're a troublemaker on the backyardigans. I'm so angry at you because you get the standard Austin in trouble. And you also, standard Canine Crooner Fan Austin in trouble. You got a red card, and that means you'll be in detention for 1 hour. Go to the principal's office and get your detention slip. And I hope you learned your lesson in your 1 hour detention. Oh my freaking gosh! I got a brown card, and that means I'll be in detention for 2 hours. Oh my gosh. Well, Tasha the stupid hippo from the backyardigans, you deserve a brown card because you always touch privacy. And that is really inappropriate and gross. And you also have been bossy to the rest of the friends. You always have been bossy. The brown card means you'll be in detention for 2 hours. Go to the principal's office and I hope you learned your freaking lesson. Oh my gosh, I got a gray card. And that means I will be in detention for 5 hours. Too bad! This is a bully from Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. You deserve a gray card because you always steal people's candies. That is not nice, and you might hurt people's feelings. The gray card means you will be in detention for 5 hours. Go to the principal's office, and I hope you learned your lesson. In your 5-hour detention, no giving me bad cards in the halls. Detention for you. Will you learn? Principal of the thing, you better stop. You deserve an orange card because you always get people in detention for no reason. The orange card means you will be in detention forever. Go to the principal's office and I hope you learned your freaking lesson. In your forever detention. The rest of the night. And also Christmas too. When you get home on Christmas this year, after your forever detention, you will be on the naughty list this year, and you will get no presents for Christmas. No. I got a dark brown card, and it's time for me to be suspended for 1 week. I am so sad right now. Well, Baldy, you deserve a dark brown card because you always try to assault people with your ruler and get Gina's friends into trouble. And you always smack people's butts with your ruler. That is called private. And you always touch my things, and that's also called private. And that is really inappropriate and gross. You don't ever smack people's butts at school with your ruler because that is called private. You deserve a dark brown card, and that means you will be suspended for 1 week. Go to the principal's office, and I hope you learned your lesson in suspension. And Baldy, you have been a bad teacher in my class, and I hope you learned your lesson. No, 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 no. I got a dark gray card, and that means I'll be suspended for 2 months. And that's right. That's right, Clyde. You have been a bad student in my class, and you always get Caillou into trouble. You deserve a dark gray card, and that means you will be suspended for 2 months. Go to the principal's office, and I hope you learned your lesson in your suspension. No, 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 no. I got a tan card, and that means I'll be suspended for 1 year. And on Christmas, Santa Claus is not going to give me any presents for Christmas. That's right. Pablo, you have been a bad penguin in my class. You always hit my fur, and you always put your flipper in my mouth, and you also pushed me in the water for our field trip. You have been a bad penguin. The tan card means you will be suspended for the rest of the year. In 1 year. Yep, the tan card means you will be suspended for 1 year. Go to the principal's office, and I hope you learned your lesson. I got a black card. Can I have another chance? No! Absolutely not! Rosie's evil clone, you have been the worst student in my class. You always get the standard Rosie in trouble. That means you will be in dead meat and expelled forever. And you need to go to summer school. Go to the principal's office right now, and I hope you learned your lesson. And have fun at summer school. Rosie's evil clone. I can't believe that you got in dead meat and expelled forever. That's it. You are grounded forever. And plus, you are going to summer school because you got in dead meat and expelled forever. When you go to sleep, you're going to summer school. Now go to sleep now.